Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to play a custom race in F1-23 since it's like so complicated. So what you want to do is go to F1 World, click on that, go play, then find Grand Prix. I did one already, so I'll do a new one, accept. And then you don't go the world car, you go F1-23. And then switch to the track of your liking. Now it's Monaco time, so I'll do Monaco. And then you choose which team you want. Obviously Ferrari for me. And then you can like switch drivers also. And then you can do like the assists, difficulty, weekend structure, etc. But yeah, if you just want to play, just go start event. And then I think you'll be like fourth at the grid or something. But let's see. Get the cutscenes. Let's see. Okay, I'm second. But yeah, that's it. That's how you play like a custom F1 track. Hopefully this helped. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.